This is it. Nijoqui Falls. Oh, look up, there's a spring. It's the summertime. Well, actually it's past summer, but we still have water. And all you hear are the drips, splashes. And you see all the biodiversity around us. All the mosses, all the different type of plants, oaks. They're all trying to get some sunlight. Everything here is vibrant. Even with a little bit amount of water, we still have life. It's a beautiful thing. It's beautiful. Not a soul around. Just me. I got this for myself. It's the beauty. That's the beauty of nature. It heals itself. Let's just listen to the natural sounds. What's amazing about this is the only spring here, but it feeds life to everything in this valley. I just seen some deer down the path. Absolutely amazing. And I hope this never gets contaminated. But this is all nature. What's really interesting is the water drops and it goes down this little stream and then it kind of fades. This is the water line. This is where the groundwater is. And yet it goes into the earth as groundwater, and it goes underneath the stone. I'm following the path, and it comes out right about here, and it follows the contour of the land, and gravity takes it. And it works its way down to its little nooks and crannies, as you can see. And then from there, it goes down. And we call this the watershed, natural watershed. Untouched by humans, unspoiled, unfiltered. And we haven't had rain. We haven't had rain for, I'd say, for at least half a year. And without this spring, there would be no life here. You would have no deer, these trees wouldn't be around. But this little water that comes out, it actually goes down and meanders down the trail. And it feeds everything on this path. And here's a little pond right here. And there's probably a lot of microorganisms in there. There could be some fish. Let's check it out. Here's a little pond. And there's definitely life. I see a lot of flies, and there's probably some tadpoles in there. But you see how clean that is? So you have a big stream, a big fall, and then you have all these micro streams. And they just keep on flowing. It's a beautiful thing. Let's just listen. You could not even design this pond, even if you wanted to, in your backyard. This is all done by nature. Every stone. I just love the contour of how the land just, it all feeds down to this. This is the pretty much where the water streams from, you know, when we have flash floods, this whole area gets wiped out. You can't even access this area here. But you know, life is not just on the ground, but life is a canopy, as you can see. It's all self-regulating. So this is my nature video. I just wanted to show you where I'm at in Bealton, California. It's called Nijoqui Falls. And I come here when I just need to get away. When I need to get away from society and from technology, I come here. So anyway, I just want to say it was a great class, and I learned a lot about nature and how we all make a difference. You hear that? There's not even... Here's nothing but the sound of air. Some crickets or other animals up there. It's about 4:30. I'm the only one on the trail. And I'll try to capture this on in writing. It's going to be difficult. It's hard to put a pulse on the vibrations that you feel. So I'm checking out. Talk to you later.